Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is LG Soundbar US60T 5.1 channel Bluetooth soundbar with wireless subwoofer and 2 rear speakers, 440 watts audio power. This is ideal sound companion for LG TV. Stunning soundscape surround you with wow interface. Complete the LG TV. Simplicity is right at your fingertip. This will help you to feel the impact of an audio panorama, captivating sound all around you. Rear speaker embrace wireless freedom. You install the rear speaker anywhere in your space without worrying about wires, thanks to the built-in wireless receiver. The sound effect, AI Sound Pro, Clear Voice Pro, Standard, Sports, Music, Game, Cinema, Bass Blast. Audio format, you have DTS, Digital Surround, AAC, and Dolby Digital. Connectivity, HDMI out, 1 USB, Bluetooth, and optical. We're going to check this stuff out and see what is inside. I hope it will help you to make informed choice.
Yes!
This is the subwoofer. Nice. This is the soundbar here. The power cable. 2 rear speakers. Nice, look at that one. See what it looks like. This is huge. The rear speakers. See what it looks like. This is the second speaker. Nice. This is the soundbar here. Brilliant stuff. See what it looks like. The ports are HDMI, TV ARC, USB, and optical. And the power cable goes in here. From the top, this is the on button. This button is input, and this button is for you to decrease the volume. Plus is for you to increase the volume, and Bluetooth button. Wow interface, Dolby audio, DTX, wireless subwoofer, HDMI, US60TR. Combination of plastic. The front is metal grill, then the rear is plastic. I'm going to measure this from this end is 85 centimeter or 850 millimeter or 3.5 inch. Then from this end 85 centimeter 850 millimeter or 33.4 inch. This is 9 centimeter. Then the subwoofer From the front to the back, 285 centimeter. From the bottom to the top is 37.7 centimeter or 14.5 inch. Rear speakers from front to the back is 12 centimeter. And this is 17.5 centimeter from the bottom to the top. To set this up, this is the wall mount power cable. So you have 3 power cables. One is for the 2 rear speakers, and one is for the subwoofer, and one is for the soundbar, and also the cables to connect the speakers, remote control, the battery, AAA battery, and also a sticker. This is the information pack. So take the cable. So take the power cable, connect it to the rear speaker, plug it onto the power, take this cable, connect it to the soundbar, push it inside, plug it onto the socket, take this cable, connect it to the subwoofer, push it inside, then plug it onto the socket, and take the remote control, take the battery, push this down. Now take the battery to the right, the negative goes to the bottom, the positive go to the top. Then on the left, negative go to the top and positive go to the bottom. Then slide the cover back on, and it's in. Now take this cable. Now this wire got black and white color on it, on each part. So the black and white. Now go to the speaker, take the black part of the cable and connect it to the black, then take the white one and connect it to the white. The black is negative, the white one is positive. So take the black color, goes to the black, which is negative, then take the white part of the cable, go to white color, and it's in. So the white part of the cable go to the positive, the black part of the cable goes to the negative. Then you take the other part of the cable as well, go to the back of the second speaker, the black, which is negative, go to the black part. So push it down, then slide, then connect the black cable, the black with white cable on it. So the black and white go to the black, then the white one go to the right, and it's in. So the right one is positive. Make sure the white cable go to the positive on the right, then black and white part of the cable go to the negative. Now the next thing you need to do, the light is also highlighting from the rear speakers. So the green light is highlighting from the rear speaker. Switch the soundbar on, and a green light is also highlighting. Once you switch it on, you will see a white color, and a green light is highlighting the subwoofer to show you that they are linked together. Likewise, a green light is highlighting from the rear speaker to show you they are linked together. If you switch the soundbar off, the light will go off. If you switch the soundbar off, the rear speaker will start to blink, and the rear speaker is now blinking, and also the subwoofer is blinking. It's blinking green. Once you switch the soundbar on, it will change from red light to white color. Now select Bluetooth.
Bluetooth connection ready.
Bluetooth connection ready. We want to connect this using the mobile phone. So go to your phone settings, go to connections, switch Bluetooth on. Now once the Bluetooth is on, it will start to look for available Bluetooth device. LG US60TR is available. Select Bluetooth pairing request. Select pair.
Paired.
And it's paired. It's connected for audio. Now we're going to test the audio using Epidemic Sound. Go to Epidemic Sound. Go to Saved Music. So from this remote control, you switch the soundbar on and off on this button. Plus is for you to increase the volume. The minus is for you to decrease the volume. This button here is preset mode. Use the preset mode to select AI Sound Pro, Game, Standard. And this button is for you to select the subwoofer, Cinema. Clear Voice Pro.
Clear Voice Pro.
I'm thinking back on all those times when I felt close to found all that I could become, eager but too scared to climb. Wanted to please my friends, but it felt like the end of myself. I was shut down and all drained out. I was lost, so I had to change. Yeah, I shook off all the bad vibes, cut me loose from the pettiness. They turned on me, but now I am perfectly free to be me. This is who I am.
So this is Clear Voice. If we select it again, if we select this button, Clear Voice Pro. Sports. Game.
Think that I am lost.
AI Sound Pro.
AI Sound Pro.
Standard.
Standard.
Cinema.
Cinema.
Clear Voice Pro.
Clear Voice Pro. Sports. Music.
In a small frame, but I won't play your game anymore. So I had to change. Yeah, I shook off all the bad vibes, cut me loose from the pettiness. They turned on me, but now I am perfect.
Small state of thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people sure know how to drink. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now,
Subwoofer.
adore me, adore me. Little did I know
Subwoofer.
you were wrong. I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong. I came to the party, I left the jokes you made.
Game.
'Cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. She thought she could tear us apart, then she kissed your lips. Oh, what a plot twist. 'Cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me. Oh, so cool.
If you connect this soundbar using LG app, you have option for you to control the soundbar as well. From you can select light. You can also select sound effect. You have AI Sound Pro, Standard, cinema, clear voice, sports, music and game, and bass blast. So this is game. Sports. Clear voice. Cinema. Standard. AI Sound Pro. Sound effect. If you select standard, no audio from the rear speaker. It's something that I noticed. If we select music, no audio from the rear speaker when you select music. But if you select bass blast, then the music, you will hear audio from the rear speakers. If you select game, you will hear audio from the rear speaker. If you select music, no audio from the rear speaker, but it's connected. Sports, there is audio from the rear speaker. Clear voice, there is audio from the rear speaker. Cinema, there is audio from the rear speaker. This is standard, no audio from the rear speaker. No audio from the rear speaker from the standard. AI Sound Pro, there is audio from the rear speaker. LG app, and also this is the settings. So you can select the woofer level from your phone. You can control the woofer level, center speaker as well, rear speaker volume, and also surround sound settings. Select surround sound is on. Rear speaker left and right switch. So you can change rear speaker left and right switch as well. Now, right, you can hear audio from the rear speaker. Go to music. So the rear speaker, there is audio from the rear speaker when it's in standard, when it's in music, but you need to switch surround on. You need to make sure you switch surround sound on. Once you switch the surround on, then you hear the music. If you remove the surround, you will not hear audio from the rear speaker. So you need to make sure you switch. If you want to hear audio from the music and standard, this is standard, no audio from the rear speaker. If you want to hear audio from the rear speaker, then you need to make sure you switch surround on. But if you did not switch surround on, you can only hear audio from the rear speaker when it's in bass blast, game, music, sports, clear voice, cinema, AI Sound Pro. If it's in standard and music, when the surround is not on, you will not hear music from the rear speaker. So we go to the settings. If we go to the settings, sound settings, go to the sound settings by speaker, select on it, then switch surround sound settings, switch it on. Then you go back and go to sound effect. This is standard. Select standard, and the music audio from the rear speakers is on. This soundbar deserves your attention. It's value for money. Thank you.